Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mike. Nice to see you,
Frank,
man.
you as well.
Thank you very much. Somebody left me a review on the Googles, and it said, "Thank you for all of your help." I was like,
bravo.
"Cool, bravo." I said, "Thank you very much." I picked Waldo Hardware because A, it's Waldo Hardware, and B, because a lot of people do business here. I do business here. You and I have been friends a long time. We've done business. Tell us a little bit about Waldo Hardware and tell us a little bit about your history with Euston, Waldo Hardware. You used to be at Prairie Village.
Yeah.
Just give us a little background on that. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 25 years, which...
I didn't know you were 25 years old yet.
Well, I had just gotten out of diapers when I started. Waldo Hardware, I can remember it being here when I was 3-4 years old, my dad bringing me up here. So, it's been a staple in the community for a long time. I've been here for, I think, 10 or 11 years.
Right, and you moved here from Prairie Village.
Yeah.
Did you manage Prairie Village, or were you still just like a
I was just
cashier?
I was just kind of a lackey at that point.
Was Bev the manager then?
Yes.
Bev was the manager.
Yep.
Right.
I was the assistant to the manager, the Dwight Schrute, if you will.
I know who that character is, actually. So 25 years.
Yeah.
That's a long time. Think you're going to buy the store? You taking over? There talks of that?
I mean, not really. I don't know if that's something I'd want to do. I just kind of like the current situation. So,
how do you think Waldo Hardware, this store, this brand, adds to the charm of our neighborhood? And I mean our neighborhood, like Waldo, Brookside, Prairie Village, Leawood.
I think we provide a more personalized experience for everyone. You can go to Home Depot and get just about the same stuff you can get here, but you can't.
You don't get a Mike Bennett.
You don't get a Mike, or you don't get a Mary Claire, or a Jim, or whoever, and I think that's what really sets us apart. And
Max Iburger.
Max, classic.
Right.
And we kind of, we know what these, aging homes tend to need and try to fit that niche a little better. So that's generally our goal is to.
And I know just from my own experience that many, do you think it's 60, 75% of your clientele is repeat clients that have been coming in here forever and ever and ever? I
would say that. A lot of them we're on first name basis with. A lot of them have my number. I have their number.
Sure.
So, customers kind of become friends after a while.
I wouldn't call us friends. Do you have a favorite thing, a favorite Waldo thing? Like, what's your favorite part about the community, about the area?
I just like how, for example, Waldo, you can literally, not go north of 63rd Street or south of 85th Street. You've got pretty much everything you need.
Food, grocery, entertainment,
drink, bars, restaurants, all it's got a little bit of everything, which is
and
nice.
A lot of charm. It's a charming area.
Sure.
We've kind of touched on it, but I want you to expand on how do homeowners benefit from you being right here?
Well, I think our business model is fairly well catered to, home improvement or repair, general repair. So, I think it is fairly self-explanatory, but that's what we do.
Yeah, homeownership made easy, DIY made easy.
Yeah, or even you're out of your element. Do you know an electrician? Well,
Right. Sure we do.
You know, so.
And I know, just for myself, there have been countless times that I've come in and been like, what do we do with that? Right? And you've got a solution because you've experienced it enough.
Sure.
Are there any upcoming new things with the hardware store? Any exciting developments that are coming or happening for the neighborhood, for the store in the neighborhood? Perks that homeowners can look forward to?
I mean, we've got some promos coming up. We do a little bit of email marketing as our kind of our go-to.
How's your response on that?
We haven't been doing it very long, but it's coming around a little bit.
Well, and I know that a lot of our clients and friends here in the neighborhood are a little older.
Mm-hmm.
So they're not as adept with tech and email.
Sure.
And email marketing. Yeah, I get it.
So we do that. We've got a paint sale coming up. We'll have flyers in store so that people that maybe are not aware that it's happening will be aware. And hopefully we'll get a good response from that.
Great. I love it that you're thriving, right? Would you say the business is growing, or do you say it's steady? It seems to me like there's always growth.
Yeah, I would say that. It's not, exponential or anything, but it seems like we get busier year over year.
And are you collaborating with any other local businesses? Like any of this stuff local here? Any of your inventory local?
Yeah, we've got a couple of local vendors.
Can you name them?
We carry a product called Homedy, which is a gentleman. He created this anti-itch spray. Primarily, you'd use it in the summertime for mosquito bites or poison ivy and whatnot.
It's all natural.
Yeah, it's natural oils and whatnot. He's a gentleman out of Brookside, and he's been a pleasure to work with. We're also in the Waldo Area Business Association, so we participate in some of their events. And
I too am a member of the Waldo Area Business Association.
Business Association besties here.
Well, we've been here long enough. I mean, how can you not?
Exactly.
How can you not participate in it, right? There's something every month. And,
sure.
If you want to know something that's going on, they know, those girls over there.
Yeah.
But I also think that businesses like ours, we're in the know. You're in the know, right? Like if there's something I need to know that I don't know, I'm like,
have you heard this? Have you
right,
heard that?
Right.
Sure.
And I don't mean gossip or rumors. I just mean actual events or happenings or
how long
trouble.
Or
like,
how yeah.
Right, for a while you had a security guard here.
Sure. Or how long are the cones going to be in the middle of the road? That kind of thing.
Sure.
Anybody heard?
Yeah, I agree. The question that I like to ask is, how do you create a welcoming atmosphere for local residents? But we've talked about you. It's personal, and it's a way for us to be part of, right? When I walk in this store, and I'm not unique, but when I walk in this store, I know most of the people that work here. I know the owner. I know the manager. It feels like home. So how do you train your people to do that?
I just emphasize that we try to be very welcoming and accommodating people. And, our job is to make people leave here thinking, I can't wait to go back there.
Yeah, I got what I needed.
Yeah.
Thanks for your help. Kind of gratitude.
Can't wait to come back.
Yeah.
Hopefully nothing's broken, but I'm looking forward to coming back.
Sure.
That's the environment we are always looking to promote.
Can you tell us how we can get involved in the community. How can we support you? How can we be part of?
Well, not to just try to promote the business. Come see us. I would imagine we have what you need. And if not, we can generally get you dialed in.
Order it. I know that I've had something ordered.
Yeah.
Sure.
Or if we can't get it, I'm sure we can figure out who can. Or if you can't accomplish what you're trying to accomplish, I'm sure we know someone that can come and accomplish that for you.
Sure. Help you out.
Yeah.
I mean, I agree. I think that that's spot on. I want to just say that Prairie Village, Waldo, and in between, this is a great place to shop, because I had this before I started working with Kevin at Prairie Village. I'd been in here, but I hadn't done much business. And then with half a dozen people that I've done business with from the store over the years. Hello, bud. I guess he's interested in saying hello. I lost my train of thought. So,
very much.
Very much.
Yes.
It's good. It's good. Come do business here. If you're in Waldo or Prairie Village, or in the surrounding area, this is a great place to do business. I'm speaking from personal experience, and everything that we've covered is accurate, right? Very accurate. So anything else that I didn't ask you that you would share with the audience, or anything you want to say? Or not on.
I mean, I'm on the soapbox now, so come see us, and we'll take really good care of you.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Pleasure as always.